In this video, let's talk about specifications. What are specifications and what are they used for? Specifications are written descriptions of a project. They describe the building components, specifically the materials and the processes used. Because they are written descriptions, they're usually an 8.5 by 11 format, a separate sheet or of paper or a separate book from your drawing prints. Specifications work together with the prints. They supplement and complement the data that describes the construction job. Specifications are used by contractors for estimating the costs of labor and materials. They take a look at what is in the specifications and are able to add up the total costs. Specifications are also used by the owner in order to verify that the materials that the owner wants are the ones that are going to be provided. And finally, specifications are part of the legal contract documents and also part of the building permit. So together, the specifications and the prints make a total package. Here's a couple of considerations when writing specifications. First of all, in general, the architect is the one in charge of writing the specification. There are specifications specialists that an architect can hire to help them out with some very technical buildings. The specifications have to be consistent with the prints. If there's any conflict, say the prints call out for one material, the specifications say another, then that's a problem, okay, that needs to be solved. In general, specifications list the exact material required, and sometimes it will list 2 or 3 accepted alternates. Some references that an architect can use when writing their specifications include manufacturer's data, Suites catalog, which you're going to be using for the activity this week, and also UL standards or Underwriter Laboratory standards. Specifications have a specific format. There are some AIA standard forms that can be used, and most of them will follow the CSI master format. And we're going to be talking a lot more about CSI master format this week. So what are some common types of specifications? Well, first of all, they can vary wildly from just a single page, a quick description for a really small project, to hundreds of pages for large projects. I have held in my hands the spec books for a new high school campus, and they were 3 books this thick. That's a lot of specifications. The minimum specification is just a simple statement for a minor job, such as a minor remodel. An outline specification works for most small projects. These are short statements about the work and the materials. The description of materials is a specific form used by some government housing agencies, and so it's got its own format. And then the format used for most larger jobs is complete. Complete specifications will in general follow CSI master format order and is broken down into divisions. Okay, well, I hope we demystified a little bit of specifications for you. Next, we'll be talking about the CSI master format system.